CBS 2.
Good afternoon. I'm Ryan Baker in the CBS 2 studio. Right now, Governor J.B. Pritzker is holding a news conference to discuss the latest in the COVID-19 pandemic in the state. Let's listen in.
Records in the last few days. Records that have established our state once again as one of the best performing states in the nation. Over the weekend, we reported more than 74,000 tests in a one-day period, a new high. We're now averaging over 52,000 tests each day, among the top testing states in the nation. And we are one of the first states to surpass 5 million tests since the onset of this pandemic. At this point, we are by far the best testing state in the Midwest and the best testing state between the two coasts. Why is this important? Because those accomplishments contribute mightily to our ability to monitor and squash the spread of the virus in our communities. Together with targeted mitigations, our testing leadership means that Illinois has had the lowest positivity rate among all of our neighboring states for the last few months. And with Region 4 and Region 7 reducing their infection rates substantially, we have seen positivity rates decline in 8 of our 11 regions over the last week alone. That said, one of our regions, Region 1 in northern Illinois, which includes Rockford, Dixon, and Galena, has continued to climb toward the 8% threshold at a concerning rate, now sitting at a 7-day average of 7.5% as of today's data. IDPH has reached out to county health officials to discuss preventative measures that can be taken at the local level to avoid additional mitigations in their communities. To area residents in Region 1, please wear your masks. Encourage others to wear masks. Watch your distance, wash your hands, and get your flu shot now to make sure that if you get COVID-19, it won't be much worse than it otherwise could be. You don't have to take my word for the fact that you can lower your positivity rate. Just look at Region 7, that's Will and Kankakee counties, which brought their positivity rate average down and were able to return to the Phase 4 mitigations of our Restore Illinois plan last Friday. That region is now sitting at a 5.7% average. Or look at Region 4, Metro East. After reaching a positivity rate as high as 10%, and despite bordering Missouri, which has a 12% positivity rate, Region 4 has brought its average down to 7.3% as of today. They may be on their way down to 6.5% and a removal of regional mitigations. We're all rooting for Metro East. You're so close and you're heading in the right direction, and I'm hopeful that local law enforcement, local elected officials, and local public health officials will work together to help enforce the guidance on capacity limits and encouraging masking and distancing. Our state is among the best in class when it comes to fighting COVID-19 because we've put people first. We've made sure that tests and treatment are available to anyone who needs them. We've worked to protect Illinoisans from the worst effects of the financial downturn, and we've consistently encouraged the mitigation efforts that we know work. And that's masks, of course, distancing, and hand washing. And it's with those same tools that we'll find our way out of this pandemic and through this difficult time. So thank you, and with that, I'd like to turn it over to Dr. Ngozi Ezike, the Director of our Department of Public Health. Doctor.
Thank you, sir. So good afternoon. We continue to see good testing numbers in Illinois. In the last 24 hours, 46,391 labs were reported for a total of 5,231,607 tests. Today, we are reporting 1,848 new cases of COVID-19 for a total of 279,114 confirmed cases. I need to add here that these 1,848 individuals that were diagnosed with COVID did not choose to get COVID. They didn't want to get COVID. They are not bad people for catching the virus. We need not point fingers or vilify people who test positive. Truly, we should actually be thanking everyone because they went and got a test. And we especially want to thank them for staying home and being isolated while they have this virus. Some people have become a bit numb to the numbers, but I want to remind people that COVID-19 can have severe consequences, definitely in the short run and to be seen in the long run. Since yesterday, we've lost an additional 22 lives. That brings our total to 8,508. 1,563 people in Illinois were reported to be in the hospital overnight with COVID-19, and of those, 351 patients were in the ICU, and 144 patients were on ventilators. Until there is a vaccine, your mask and social distancing are your best protection against COVID-19. As always, keep wearing those masks. Watch your distance and wash your hands. And I'm going to add this every time as well. Please get your flu shot. Thank you.